Today's wine text is the 2013 Essenze Barolo from the Monforte D'Alba by Vite Colte. So Vite Colte, as we've had, it's easily one of our most popular Italian producers, especially in WineText. I think they've been definitely the best representative of the areas within Piedmont that we've done so far. But this one's a little bit specialized. So Vite Colte also does these kind of single town sourced styles of Barolo. And this is the Monforte D'Alba one. So Monforte D'Alba is a very small appellation inside of Piedmont and within Barolo. So it's still 100% Nebbiolo, made from very hilly style vineyards. So because it's on the hills, they get much more sun kind of exposure. And I find that wines from Monforte D'Alba are a little bit riper. They have a little bit more of that kind of fresh kind of fruit profile to them. But they're also elevated, so a lot of the terroir comes through in these style wines more than the other small appellations within the region. This is a 2013, which if you've seen some of our other videos and some of the things we did, 2013 might be in contention for the best vintage in the last 20 years. I mean, there are other couples that I would say are just as good, but it's pretty much a coin flip with vintages like 06 and some of the others. So yeah, this stuff really awesome. Pretty small production, I would say. Not too many are out there, but super classic Barolo. On the nose, like immediately I get that kind of fresh anise kind of licorice thing going on. Definitely that earthy clay kind of sandy soil stuff coming through, but a lot of that fresh fruit. I mean, it's big red fruit up front. And if you know anything about Nebbiolo or you've seen the videos in the past, Nebbiolo has a ton of tannins and a lot of acid. That's why Barolo specifically are some of the most age-worthy wines in the world. On the palate, pretty much everything is the same. A little bit of that licorice, a little bit of that, fresh fruit. But the tannins are still super high. This wine definitely, I just opened it, needs a little bit more time to open up and get some air rolling through it. But also a wine with the acidity in my mouth still watering can easily last 10 to 15, maybe even 20 years. Really great producer, one of our favorites, one of our top selling, producers in not only the store but on WineText, and one of their specialized Barolos. You won't find too many Barolos of this quality for the price that we're going to sell it for on WineText. Enjoy.